In the competitive business world, providing a top-notch customer experience is essential, but it's complicated, daunting, and if you don't find the right digital partner, you could waste months of time and end up with a buggy system that you'll have to redo in a year. So where do you start? First, you look for a team, the friendly, creative, digital genius type of team. Then, you tell them your idea.
So we've got a multi-layered back-end data warehouse that supports the scheduling of the business that needs to be integrated into. The content management system is key. We need a great-looking portal that's integrated with the content management system that's easy for us to maintain and easy for the customer to use.
They should say, great, digital types love all kinds of complex online and technical situations. But then they should have a custom solution for your needs.
Not a box to fit you in.
Next, you should check out their process. You want to look for a partner that's nimble and quick to respond to your needs. Someone who wants to take ownership and act as a part of your team.
You gotta see what's happening in real time, knowing where things are in every moment. So when your boss needs to know, you look good with the answer.
And don't forget to make sure they have a roster of happy customers. And most importantly, make sure they're human, able to understand your situation and willing to be a partner, not just a vendor, but one team with one goal. And to find a partner with all of that, you call Nishtech.
Nishtech is an award-winning enterprise digital agency. We excel at creating efficient, agile digital solutions to execute your marketing strategy and e-commerce plan to perfect your digital presence by integrating best-of-breed technologies.
We work with technology giants like Sitecore, AP Server, Covio, Microsoft. You can do personalization, marketing automation, single-page application, headless content management implementation.
Able to start a site from scratch? Check. Able to pick up where someone left off? Check. Perfecting all your web needs? Double check.
IoT integration, digital asset management, machine learning, contest marketing.
So you can endlessly search for an agency that tries to do all of this, or you can save a lot of time and effort and call Nishtech, the experts in developing digital commerce communities and digital experience platforms. Nishtech, perfecting your web.